Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to convert CSV to PDF from uploaded file in PHP using PDF.co web API. You can see the link of the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. Here's the sample CSV file that we are going to use in this demo. So let's begin. First, open your Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in PHP. Next, add the PHP sample code and HTML sample code inside the compiler. You can see the link of the source code in the description box below. After adding the code, you may now save the file. Now, go to your browser and type in localhost / your PHP folder / and the HTML file. Then, add your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Next, upload your CSV file. Then, click the Proceed button to send a request. Our test was successful. Click the temporary URL to view the output. Here's the converted PDF output. Come and check out our PDF.co website for more tutorials. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.